Hey guys, so I'm a mental health therapist, and this is one of the books that I often recommend to my clients when they are dealing with grief. So this is a journal that you can use alone, you can use it in conjunction with a therapist, you can do this with a friend, you could use this in a group setting, you can even skip around in this book. So I just wanted to show you what's inside. So here we have the table of contents. So there's departure, adventure, and return. And then throughout this book, you're going to have different exercises to do. This one is talking about boundaries and your circle of protection. So some of these are things that most people need to work on in their lives anyway, but grief obviously affects you, and oftentimes not in a good way, but it helps you to gain some sort of sense of control in your life. Boundaries. Has some quotes in here as well. Different things for you to do, different activities. There's some artsy things in here as well. But this is a really great book for anybody who's dealing with loss, and how to help you carry what can't be fixed.